Welcome to AI Kids. Hello friends, today we will learn 2D shapes. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle, trapezoid, Pentagon, Hexagon, Octagon, rhombus or diamond, oval, heart, star, parallelogram. Now let's color the shapes. Circle is in red color. Square is in green color. Rectangle is in yellow color. Triangle is in blue color. Trapezoid is in green color. Pentagon is in red color. Hexagon is in yellow color. Octagon is in blue color. Rhombus or diamond is in green color. Oval is in green color. Heart is in yellow color. Star is in red color. Parallelogram is in blue color. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle, trapezoid, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, rhombus, oval, heart, star, parallelogram. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.